Hello guys, good day. This is Ferdy and welcome to the vlog. In this episode, we are trying to hook Supreme's Week 7. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do so to be updated in our latest videos. And right now, we're going to check Medicom Toy Store. In Medicom Toy Store, we have this restock of Peko-chan Manekineko and the characters from Nightmare Before Christmas. There you go. This Iron Man, Scarlet Spider, a bunch of Star Wars characters, Squid Games, Ratfink, both colors. And we have costume versions of many characters, including Tom and Jerry and Sesame Street. We also have those bear bricks at the back, the Baby Milo Transformer bear bricks, and artwork from Japan and from Paris. So we have COS here. And this is the collaboration with Levi's. 1,400% as well as the 100% and COS characters. Well, that's what they have with Medicom Toy Store, and next up is Stussy and Supreme.
They don't never see me coming. If I'm honest, kinda love it. On something, tell your uncle, sister, cousin, throw whoever listens. It's getting hard to bottle in the town and find a balance in the flow. Throwing bows, it's the diamonds try to follow me. Me, I tend to jump when it's out of reach. I at least take a step. If I'm missing crumble, I'll be picking up the pieces. Reinvention is a must. If I lose my sense of balance, I won't lose my sense of touch. Wait, what a perfect day. How did it manifest? I've been on top if I dry. I was truly blessed. Stop with the negative spin. If the wheels keep spinning, keep the pedal pressed. Let the road so dead. Follow me, I tend to jump when it's out of reach. I at least take a step. If I'm missing crumble, I'll be picking up the pieces. Reinvention is a must. If I lose my sense of balance, I won't lose my sense of touch. Wait, turn the lights out. I can't see a thing, dog. Can I get a phone light? I might let it ring, dog. Something creeping in the dark. Think it needs a theme song. Shadow follow me around. Now we're in the same boat, running like the same boat. Swimming if I can't float. With it, take the paper, rip it clean slate. Here we go, dropping like Geronimo. Popping tropical flows, blows till we bubble up. Undercover, they don't know. Wait, turn the lights out. I can't see a thing, dog. Can I get a phone light? I might let it ring, dog. Something creeping in the dark. Think it needs a theme song. Shadow follow me around. Now we're in the same boat, running like the same boat. Swimming if I can't float. With it, take the paper, rip it clean slate. Here we go, dropping like Geronimo. Popping tropical flows, blows till we bubble up.
Well, that's what they have with Supreme and Stussy, and right now we're going to Bape. In Bape, we have the newest release of the Bapex watches. This is the Type 9. We have the silver colorway and the pink one. So for the silver, we have this silver bands, and this is the pink one. Kinda reminds me of Audemars Piguet. So that's what we have with Bape. Just a quick break. I'll just ship this item for Ma'am Ana. And thank you, Ma'am Ana, for this one. Hello guys, we're back at my house, and today is Sunday. I'm going to unveil all our orders. So for the first one, this is a skate deck for Sir Ronnie. And you can see the details right here. I taped some Supreme calling cards there. I don't want to blur this out because it's very hard to edit this kind of video. So that's it. Thank you so much, Sir Ronnie, for this one. For Sir Christian's pair, we have this color. So this is the brown one. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side, medial side. The footbed, heel counter with that debossed Nike logo, and the midsole / outsole. Thank you so much, Sir Christian, for this one. So we have another pair here of Supreme Air Force One. This is the extra lace. Supreme Red, as you can see right there. This one is for Sir Jehan, by the way. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side with a box logo. Medial side. The Dubré at the midfoot section, and Supreme branding at the tongue. So the heel counter is just this embroidered Nike Air logo, and this is the outsole. Thank you again, Sir Jehan, for this one. We have two Bape Adidas footwear here. It comes in these boxes, as you can see. So let's just unveil this one. Let's start off with the blue pair. This is the forefoot area with the gold brace. You can see the shell toes there, eggshell white. Lateral side, Bape's the logo and the 3 stripes logo. Inverted on the medial side, so the tongue has no branding. It comes pre-laced with this flat laces with a bathing ape branding, and on the insole you can see what kind of leather they've used for the shoe, so you can pause it if you want to read it. Not to mention the lateral side has this Bape head logo. There's no heel tab. Across the shoe, you can see the invisible ABC camo that they've used for the design. Sole, just this classic Adidas Superstar midsole and the outsole. Now, for the white one, this is the forefoot area, lateral side, medial side, the tongue and the insole, as you can see. The midsole, Superstar midsole, and the outsole. Both of these pairs comes with these extra laces, the fat one and some extra lace by Adidas. Thank you again for this one, Sir Rafael. Next client is Sir Eli, and he ordered 2 pairs. That's the Cloud Tilt and Yuto Horigome in collaboration with SB Dunk. So let's start off with the Yutos. I think this is a better pair than the first one, but the color is not for me. It comes in this purple Nike SB box, and we have 2 sets of extra laces, the salmon and this cream one. And of course, this came from Sneaker Dunk. That's why there's an authentication card right here. There you go. Authenticated by them. Comes with this Nike SB sticker. It's just a subtle Nike SB sticker. Black tag since this is a Japan release. For this second collaboration with Yuto Horigome, they've incorporated the matcha design. There's the Verify Authentic tag, as you can see. This is the forefoot area. Lateral side with that Yuto Horigome logo. Medial side and the tongue with his name on it. It comes pre-laced with this matcha colored laces. All throughout the shoe, it's matcha colored, by the way. So that's the heel tab, Nike embroidery. So the insole has this Nike SB logo and Yuto Horigome logo. So as for the midsole, it's just a regular Nike SB Dunk midsole, and the outsole, the Phylon is salmon. So you can see the outsole. It kind of reminds me of those usual Dunks, Air Force One and Jordan 1 signature midsole. So thank you for this one, Sir Eli. Next up is his Cloud Tilt. For the Cloud Tilt, it just comes in this regular on-cloud box. So this is the Rock Ivory in a size 6.5 women's. So it came from Dover Street Market, Ginza. As for the shoes, this is the forefoot area. Lateral side with the on-cloud branding. Medial side, so that's the tongue and the insole. For the heel counter, they have this subtle on-cloud branding, as well as this Swiss engineering, the midsole, and the outsole. Thank you again, Sir Eli, for this one. So we have another collaboration here with the ASICS Gel Kayano 14 and Sneaker Politics, size 28 centimeters or US 10. This one is for Sir Merch. It came from Sneaker Dunk. That's why there's an authentication card. Comes with this extra set of laces, red. So this is the forefoot area. Lateral side, medial side, so the tongue, and the insole. Heel counter, we have this gold or I think bronze. That's the classic gel design that they have for the heel counter. And I haven't mentioned the subtle Gel Kayano 14 on this side. For the midsole, it's just an aged midsole with this classic scarlet red color. Outsole is just a regular ASICS Gel Kayano 14 outsole. Thank you again, Sir Merch, for this one. Babe Crocs, this one's for Sir John. Comes in this bag. So I've unveiled this countless of times. Thank you again, Sir John, for this one. For Kith, we have a big box right here. The shoe box has this sleeve, which composes of Marvel characters throughout the sleeve, and let's just put it right here at the top. This is the box. So the retail price for this one is 29,700 yen as stated by this tag. And once you've opened them up, you'll have the sneakers, but beneath the box, they have this authentication card from Sneaker Dunk and this classic comic book. This is how it was packaged before. There you go, and we have this protective film for it. For the shoes, they don't have any shoe paper, just this one. It's like a storage for cereals, right? That's how it was packaged. And this is the Green Goblin. It comes in this GT2160 silhouette from ASICS. It comes with this extra set of laces. 1, 2, and 3. 3 sets of extra laces. The forefoot area, lateral side, medial side. I forgot about the Sneaker Dunk tag. There you go, that's authentic. And this is the ASICS branding on the left pair. This is the Kith branding on the right pair. Just a regular midsole from GT2160 ASICS and the outsole. So the heel counter has this Marvel and Feig, as in Ronnie Feig, heel counter. I'm more leaning towards this kind of insoles in the future. So ASICS and Kith, that's stitched on the insole. Thank you again, Sir Keith, for this one. It's Bear Bricks time. This is for our anonymous buyer. And this is the DB Starman Bear Brick for 100 and 100%, as you can see. Yokohama Dena Bay Stars. Hanshin Tigers Bear Bricks. So there you go, that's 2. Next are Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas characters, and this is Santa Jack for 100%. And that's how it looks. Oogie Boogie for 100%. Thank you for our anonymous client. Next one is an accessory for Sir Vince. This is the Iwatani Supreme Stove Inner Flame Burner. So I've unveiled this before. That's it. Thank you again, Sir Vince, for this one. Next up is we have 2 sets of Supreme deck cards. This is for Sir Sting and Sir Sebastian. There you go. Real 3 camo, by the way. Supreme Hot Wheels for Sir Joel. And this is the authentication card. This is how it looks. Very limited collector's piece. Thank you again for this one, sir. Bape ABC AirPods Pro case for Sir Dave. This is the yellow ABC camo. More vibrant than the green. This is the packaging. ABC camo invisible color. Thank you again, Sir Dave. Next up is the Supreme Balaclava in the black colorway for Ma'am Janet. This is how it looks. So, perfect for motorcycle riders. There you go. Supreme Balaclava. One of my favorite caps for Supreme, this is the S logo cap. Real 3 colorway. Size is 718 for Sir Nino, as you can see. So, there's a bunch of different fonts of the S logo around the cap. Thank you again for this one, sir. Next up is the Supreme embroidered camo cap for Sir Ronnie. The font is insane. So this kind of caps is very expensive in the future. I know because it's very beautiful. So a bunch of camo releases for Supreme this week. And at the back, it's adjustable and there's a Supreme embroidery. Thank you again for this one, Sir Ronnie. Next up is a pink Supreme t-shirt for Sir Ren. This is a size XL and this is how it looks. It's like a handwritten Supreme print. So that's SUPREME. Supreme. Thank you again for that one, Sir Ren. One of our clients here in our vlog ordered this shirt because it's his birthday. Again, happy birthday to Sir Ninja. And he ordered this daily shirt. That's his birthday, April 9, and this year. If you don't know, guys, every day they have this daily shirt and daily cap. So for this one, he ordered this one, human made, and that's the date for it. April 9, 2025. No back print, but the date is important. And thank you again, Sir Ninja, and happy birthday to you. Next up is a balaclava again for Ma'am Milky, and this is the authentication card. Since we got this from Sneaker Dunk, verified authentic. So this is the Supreme Burgundy balaclava with this print of money. And there's the Supreme logo, as you can see. Thank you again for Ma'am Milky. For Ma'am Divina, she ordered this simple Stussy logo. That's it. That's the design. Very simple. Retail price for this one is 9,900 yen. As you can see by that tag. Thank you again, Ma'am Divina, for this one. Next up is for Sir Jason. No back print. This came from Sneaker Dunk. This is the Kith Osaka tee. Thank you again for Sir Jason regarding this one. For Ma'am Andrea, we have this Atmos exclusive. Nagoya exclusive, by the way. There's two shirts that I can hook you up with. And the first one is their branch in Parco. They have the TGM branch also, Nagoya. So this one is a size S. And you can see the Nagoya address right there. Very exclusive, very limited. They have one all over the place. Every shop here in Japan has a different design. So thank you again, Ma'am Andrea, for this one. Next up is the Margiela hoodie. This is for Sir Bets. Authentication card, as you can see right there. This one looks painted. I remember the release for this. I camped out from 11 p.m. That's very early. I'm number 2 on the line and there's 3,000 people for that line. I wouldn't suggest to camp out again in Supreme. But I remember every time I see this hoodie. So that's the box logo. Very beautiful. And this is at the back. So you can see the Margiela MM6 at the sleeve. Very subtle. Again, thank you for this one, Sir Bets. The next one are two items. This is the Bape brown bag and the human-made duck. There you go. Embroidered. This one also includes a strap that you can hook right here. There's also our branding right here at the side. So the human-made duck is one of Human Made's classic design, and this is how it looks. I won't unveil this one. It's very hard to fold. There you go. That's it. Thank you again for Ma'am Jelsa for these two. My favorite pants from Supreme. Somebody ordered this from us. He just saw my outfit of the day for Osaka. He says that it's a very beautiful pair, so he got one. This came from Sneaker Dunk. That's why there's an authentication card. And this is called the newspaper pants from Supreme. So there's only a few of this in circulation. In Nagoya, I got one of this with the help of our Vietnamese friends. Thank you so much. And this is the verified authentic tag, as you can see. And this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful pair of pants. So Supreme branding, subtle throughout the pants. And that's how it looks. The perfect statement piece if you want to rock Supreme. Thank you again, Sir Philip, for this one. Next up is an order for Sir Ronald, and this is the shell jacket from Stussy, and this is how it looks at the back, and this is how it looks at the front. So what I like about Stussy is it's very simple and functional, as you can see by this jacket. Very simple. Thank you again, Sir Ronald, for this one. Next up is for Sir Sean, ABC Camo yellow hoodie. No shark head or anything, just the simple point logo from Bape and their ABC camo pattern. So that's the Bape head point, and this is how it looks. Very comfy. Not to mention there's a Bathing Ape branding over here. Thank you again, Sir Sean, for that one. Next up is for Sir DJ Buddha, one of our famous clients here in the vlog. This one's for DJ Buddha, or at least his partner. And this is the Adidas in collaboration with Bape track jacket. So this is how it looks. A bathing ape. Very bold print at the back. And there you go. There's a subtle ABC camo black that runs on the pattern of this jacket. Thank you for this one, Sir DJ Buddha. And next is the Coach jacket. We have this ABC camo green Coach jacket. So there's the Apehead logo, and this is how it looks. Mesh lining material at the inner, as you can see. Very wild looking Coach jacket. Thank you again for Sir DJ Buddha regarding those orders. So next up is a bulk order for Ma'am Princess. First up is this Real 3 camo that I've unveiled earlier, 7.5. That's the sizing. Same with the earlier cap. Just a bunch of S logos in different fonts. We have this handbag. Real leather, by the way. And there's a very teeny tiny lock over here. Next up is we have this Baby Milo socks. So very simple, as you can see. And another one right here. Then this Baby Milo, actually Baby Lisa wallet. So there you go, very cute. And this subtle pink colorway. You can put in a lot of banknotes. And there's also a storage here for cards. There you go. The Baby Milo Raglan shirt. For kids, by the way, this is 140 centimeters. That's how it looks. And lastly, we have another bag for her. This one's a bit cuter than the other one. This one's very, very little. Statement piece. I think they have straps for this one inside. Leather strap for it. You can hook it right here at the side. And again, we have this tiny padlock, as you can see right there. Thank you again for Ma'am Princess regarding those orders. If you want to order some streetwear brands like Stussy, Supreme, Bape, and a bunch of other Japan exclusive stuff like Evisu, Momotaro, and some other Japanese products that you know, please message me at our FB page or Instagram page. So we are at the end of the video. I think for this week it's very weak because of underwhelming collaborations. But I like that Supreme Spyra water gun. It's still available, by the way. You can message me if you want to order. I think that's my favorite for this week. Let me know what you think, guys, regarding this week's release. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it for your taste? Just let me know down below. I just want to thank all of you, my clients, my subscribers, my viewers, everyone who supports me, and my friends, my family, my wife, my best friend. And this is me signing out. See you in the next one. God bless. Bye-bye.